Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by protecting your data and finding the biggest offenders. First, back up important files and app data so changes are reversible. Next, open your device's network or cellular settings and sort apps by data usage to spot heavy background consumers. Once you know which apps are active, disable background data or background app refresh for those specific apps. This immediately stops unseen uploads and downloads. Make sure to keep essential services like messaging and updates enabled if you rely on them. Now you'll dig into the middlework, reduce what runs in the background and why. Clear app cache and, when safe, app data to remove queued uploads or logs. This shrinks immediate usage. Then enable data saver and battery optimization features to throttle background network access. Also change app-specific sync intervals and turn off auto-sync for non-essential accounts. This prevents periodic spikes. Once done, review permissions, location, photos, or microphone permissions can trigger background transfers, and revoke anything unnecessary to close further. Finish by verifying the effect and setting maintenance habits. Restart your device to apply changes, then monitor app data for 24 to 48 hours and compare totals to confirm reductions. Keep system and apps updated to fix bugs that cause background data leaks and reinstall any app that still misbehaves. If problems persist, reset network settings as a last resort. Note it will remove saved Wi-Fi passwords. Troubleshooting tip: if an app keeps using data after all steps, disable it temporarily or contact support, because a buggy service may require a developer fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.